Hi, everyone. Today, I want to share something that my husband taught me: how to build a website with no tech skills. Seriously, blows my mind. I literally came home from a podcast interview and he said, Debbie, I've built 3 websites. And I said, what? And he said, yes, I've built 3 websites. And I said, I heard you, but what? My husband is not in tech, never has cared about anything I do in tech, does not know how to build anything, works in the public sector, is rarely on the computer. And he was able to build 3 websites in 10 minutes. He said, I watched a video for 10 minutes and I built 3 websites. And I was like, oh my God, I need to tell the world about this. So here we are. So how did he do it? He basically went to gemini.google.com. Gemini.google.com. This is free. He paid absolutely zero money. Now, I do have a pro account, but he has a free account and pays no money and can just build websites. Seriously, you got to check it out. We're going to do it. So basically, he just put in here a prompt of what he wanted to build. Now, as you can see here, it says, where should we start, right? Create image. We've got create music, create video, boost my day, write anything, help me learn. So there's a lot of kind of things you can play around with here. But there's a couple of other things hidden. I kind of find that they're a little bit hidden. So if you click in here, you've got some other things like create an image, which he's done nonstop. We won't go into that one. You've got Canvas, deep research, create video, create music, guided learning. That's also really cool. But let's focus today on Canvas. So we're opening a Canvas and it doesn't really matter the model. I have the fast one here. That's totally fine. You could even go the pro one for advanced math and code with pro. But let's just do the fast one because, it's more cheaper probably. Basically, we can build anything. So you could say, for example, actually, I'm going to tell you exactly what he built. The next day after he built his 3 websites, he started building games for our children. So build a Batman game for toddlers. Right? So basically, simple prompt. Now, I could be much more creative in this and really kind of guide as in what I want it to do. And there's absolutely no way we're going to get the same thing again, even with the same prompt. So you could just completely create games every single day and have different games. Like, this is so much fun. Now, this is the first thing that pops up here, right? All this code, and don't be scared by that. As my husband said, I watched it spit out all the code that you normally write by hand. I normally write this by hand. Like, that is the insane thing. Once the code is finished being generated, it jumps into the preview mode. And here is the preview mode, and it's like a Batman City helper, tap to fly. So move Batman to collect stars. So, oh my God, this is cool. I didn't even, this is, I just moved with the trackpad. Oh, wow, this is really, really cool. This is actually really simple for toddlers to play. I love this. Okay, this is great. Now, I've got stars, 8. I can actually ask for more things. Can you add sound? Right? This is the cool thing, that you just have to have an imagination and kind of think, oh, how can I make it better? And you can add, you could even say like, put someone's name up here. Like, this is really, really cool. So it's going to add some sound. Whenever Batman catches a star or a balloon, you'll hear a cheerful ping, right? So we just have to wait for it to finish doing its thing, and then that should happen. So you can literally create anything. Like, this is absolutely amazing. Now, while this is going on, this is even the cool thing that people don't even know about. While this is going on, you can also do other stuff and create other stuff. And I'll show you that in a second, but I just want to see this ping. I don't know if you're going to hear this. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is amazing. I'm loving this. Wow. That is so cool. That is so cool. And you can even just kind of like select an area and say, ask Gemini, can you add the person's name here? Right? So again, I just use that little thing there, that drag box, drag it over a certain area. So you don't even have to specify like, oh, where it says stars or the right-hand corner or anything. Like, this is really, really cool. Like I said, at any moment, you can just come along here and you can just, click on a new chat, for example. And now our game is gone. And you can say, let me just make sure we're in Canva. Can you create a website for a circus act, for example? Bang, that's going off and done there and doing that. And now I can come back to my toddler Batman game. Or I can just leave that doing another thing. I can go off and create another one. This is actually really cool. So create some games for learning numbers for toddlers. Again, it's all about toddlers. Um, think about schools, right? I used to be a school teacher. I used to have to prep and create all this stuff in my free time. And now, like, getting resources, I can just create resources on the fly. Now, a couple of things we'll go over in a second. Let's see if the circus is done. It's still creating the circus. Here, oh, the circus is right. A night of pure magic. Wow, there's my website for the circus. Like, this is incredible. Whoa, this is so cool. And again, I just put one line of, I put nothing in there, right? You can iterate over that. You could change, given the actual address, the YouTube links. You can really iterate over it. You do have access to the code in case, you wanted to and you did know how to code. You could totally just like type in that yourself. And then you've got the really cool thing is the share. So you can actually share this. You can copy the content. So if you did know how to code, or you could just share it with someone. So my husband is sharing with me, go, here's a website I've started. Can you, help me improve it, etc. You do have access to the console should you need it. And then you've got this other thing, which is add Gemini features, which is could add like some AI stuff on that. Great for writing stories. We created a book as well, where it reads the story to you. That was cool as well. I can't even remember all the things we created in just a couple of minutes. This is great. The one thing that it is missing is you can go previous versions and you can see changes saved, but you can't really deploy it from here. There's no really quick, nice and easy button to actually just get a deploy and share it. But this share one, we'll open that in a second. We'll do it with the game. Let's go back to our game and the toddler game. Let's check this one out. Number fun, bubble pop. That looks, oh wow, look
The
at,
bubbles in order. Start with 1,
did you hear that? He just went, pop the bubbles in order, start with 1. So you go 1.
2, 3.
Let's do it wrong.
Find number 4.
That's cool. That's cool. Right?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. So again,
The bubbles in order.
we press the home button and we could click on the count
All the
items.
foods to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
All the fruits to count them.
Like, that's amazing.
2, 3.
Like, that's cool.
4.
This is
Fun.
cool.
Amazing.
This is what kids want, right? This is
All
cool.
the fruits to count.
And you can turn the sound off. You can iterate over it. You can improve it. Let's go back to our Batman game. Let's see how Batman is doing. Toddler Batman game design. Enter the name, right? So let's put Debbie on Debbie stars. Oh my God, I want this game forever. I love this game. Oh my God, this is. Am I meant to collect the balloons as well, or just the stars? I don't know. I think just the stars. I'm no good at playing games, by the way. I don't know why I'm building a game. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. Again, if you want to share it, all you do is share, and you can literally just click that link, and the link is copied. And if we go into a new one here, we should be able to paste it in. And we should basically just have access to that. And there's the game we can play, right? So I'm not sure how the share thing works. As in, like, when you're sharing it, it's not really deployed, but is deployed. It's kind of weird. But like I said, this is absolutely fantastic. This is so much fun. Everyone, you've got to play around with this, whether you're creating games, whether you're going to create your own book, whether you're going to build material for teaching, whether you're going to build a website and have someone just iterate over and help you with the deploy part, but you've got the design. You're in control. This is amazing. This is free. You'll hit some limits if you keep doing too much work, and then you can pay. But this is free to try out. Gemini.google.com. Everybody go build this Batman game. It's so much fun. This is wild. It's wild we can do. The only problem now is your imagination. So people, start being creative and just start imagining things. Awesome. Debbie's a superhero. That's the best way to finish. Bye, everyone.